Hello, ladies. This is Dr. Angela Gala with Dr. Gala Health Coaching LLC, and I'm here to give you something that may be a game changer. I'm pleased to share with you the latest breakthrough in wellness and health mental fitness. How to grow the three core mental muscles to thrive in challenging times, and that has been done in partnership with Dr. Shizat Chemi, the author of the New York Times best-selling book, Positive Intelligence. Just so you know, positive intelligence, also seen as PQ, is a measure of mental fitness, indicating how quickly you recover from negative to positive responses to challenges. According to breakthrough research with more than 500,000 participants from 50 countries, different countries, PQ has shown to be the best predictor of how happy you are and how well you perform relative to your potential. Because PQ coaching has changed my life, it has changed my family's life. I decided to bring this topic to my audience, and that's you ladies in midlife. If you're like most people, you have an average level of mental fitness, which means that the hills of life will not cause significant problems for you. But when it comes to challenges, you can generally handle medium level life issues with a reasonable level of stress or discomfort. But many of us experience the menopause transition as an overly and frequently harsh time in life. So let's use a comparison of hills and mountains to help you see what I'm saying. You may be saying something like, you know what, this thing is getting me all worked up. I'm not able to handle this level of challenge without becoming upset and stressed. But perhaps I shouldn't blame the mountain after all. Perhaps the mountain is just that, a mountain, and nothing more. It isn't necessarily negative. Perhaps I should consider how I improve my mental fitness before attempting to climb the peak that is in front of us in this stage of life. What if I could handle menopause in a way that resulted in positive emotions like curiosity and creativity, and also laser focused action, rather than all stressed out and upset as I try to figure it out how to do it? Yes, it certainly is a possibility. If I create strong brain muscles in a time mental fitness, and you know what happens when you reach the other side of this mountain? Hello, I can tell you this. You will get to the other side of the mountain, meaning tough menopause transition. And yes, it shall happen. It shall pass. It will pass at the end of the day. But you will get to the other side of the hill. But consider what happens when you can climb a mountain without worrying about what comes next. It is entirely possible that it will return you to the sort of mid-level hills where you may climb, and then you can say things like, hey, this is a piece of cake. I learned how to scale a peak. Your stress level is much lower than ever, and you're able to perform better. You'll be happier and also empowered, and you will have healthier relationships as direct result of your mental fitness. So, my suggestion for you today is not to wait until menopause has passed so that you can move on with your life. Yes, please. And I would call your attention. So, can you get excited about climbing a mountain? And can you get excited about how it can help you recover your energy and vitality with mental fitness muscles that will serve you for the rest of your life? So, my job is to show you that this science is not all made up. No, it's not just the analogy. We actually have a whole lot of science that makes this very practical. What I'm talking about is based on real science and stuff like that. But I just want you to have an image of what's possible here and how we can change our response to what is happening with our shift to the next chapter of our lives. So please don't miss my next workshop where you will walk out with everything there is to know about how to train your core brain muscles to attain high levels of mental fitness, enabling you to climb your mountain, enabling you to overcome the challenges of perimenopause. The outcome is straightforward. peak performance. And it is happening this Friday at 1:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. So grab your spot right now before they are exhausted, and I will see you there. Bye bye.